What if your liver were quietly under attack and you had no idea? Most people don't feel liver pain until the damage is advanced. Yet this organ filters every drop of blood that passes through your body. Today, we'll decode the subtle medical clues that tell you your liver is struggling, 12 scientifically proven early signs, and the precise steps to reverse the damage. Hi, I'm Dr. John Barrasso, and this is Dr. Lab, where science meets self-care. The liver is your biochemical command center. Every molecule of food, every medication, every glass of wine ends up here for processing. It weighs barely 3 pounds, yet performs over 500 vital tasks, from manufacturing cholesterol and hormones to detoxifying ammonia and drugs. But modern living pushes it past capacity. Processed foods, seed oils, sugary drinks, painkillers, viral infections, even air pollutants. Here's the good news. Liver tissue can regenerate up to 70% of itself if you remove the stressors in time. So let's identify the signals your body sends long before serious disease appears. Each liver cell, called a hepatocyte, contains hundreds of microscopic detox machines called enzymes. These enzymes convert toxins into harmless, water-soluble compounds that can leave the body through bile or urine. When too many toxins arrive at once or fat accumulates inside the hepatocytes, oxidative stress begins. Mitochondria falter, inflammation rises, scar tissue forms, and bile thickens. That cascade triggers the warning signs you're about to learn. 1. Pale or clay-colored stool, cholestasis. What you see, stool becomes light tan, gray, or chalky and may float. Inside the body, bile gives stool its color by delivering bilirubin, a pigment formed when old red cells break down. When liver ducts are blocked or bile flow slows, bilirubin can't reach the intestine. Medical studies link pale stool to cholestatic liver disease or fatty liver-induced bile stasis. If accompanied by dark urine or yellow eyes, it's an urgent sign to test alkaline phosphatase and gamma-GT levels. 2. Poor night vision, nyctalopia from vitamin A deficiency. What you see: difficulty adjusting to darkness, halos around lights, or delayed vision recovery after bright exposure. Inside the body, the liver stores 80% of your body's vitamin A as retinal esters. It also synthesizes retinol-binding protein, RBP, the transporter that delivers vitamin A to your retina. When hepatocytes are inflamed or fibrotic, RBP falls, starving photoreceptor cells of retinol. A 2018 clinical review in Nutrients confirmed that chronic liver disease patients commonly present with subclinical vitamin A deficiency long before jaundice appears. 3. Swelling of feet or ankles, peripheral edema. What you see: puffy feet, especially toward evening. Shoes feel tighter on the right side. Inside the body, the liver makes albumin, a plasma protein maintaining oncotic pressure. Think of it as the sponge keeping fluid in your blood vessels. Low albumin from impaired synthesis allows plasma to seep into tissues. This hydrostatic leak combines with increased portal vein pressure, giving the classic ankle swelling seen in early cirrhosis and heart-liver syndromes. Blood tests showing albumin 1.3 often accompany these bruises. Researchers at Mayo Clinic note that decreased fibrinogen precedes overt cirrhosis by several years, making bruising one of the earliest visible warnings. 7. Cracked heels and dry feet, skin barrier failure. What you see: deep fissures on heels, flaky soles, rough skin that bleeds easily. Inside the body, the liver requires niacin, vitamin B3, and essential fatty acids to make ceramides, the lipids that seal moisture in your skin. When hepatocytes use up B3 to fuel detox reactions, NAD/NADH cycle, there's none left for skin repair. Low niacin honors low ceramide synthesis, form dry heels. Clinical data from dermatoendocrinology shows that patients with fatty liver disease have 20–30% lower plasma niacin levels than healthy controls. Correcting the deficiency restores skin hydration and reduces oxidative stress markers inside the liver itself. 8. White or swollen nails, teres nails and clubbing. What you see: nails that turn white from the base up or bulge into a rounded shape. Inside the body, chronic liver fibrosis reduces oxygen delivery to the nail matrix and impairs keratin production. At the same time, low albumin causes fluid accumulation under the nail bed, giving a milky appearance. Histologic studies show that up to 80% of cirrhosis patients develop Terry's nails from hypoxia and metabolic change. When this sign appears with fatigue and dark urine, it's a red flag for advanced scarring. 9. Dark urine, hyperbilirubinemia. What you see? Urine that's amber, tea-colored, or brown, even with good hydration. Inside the body, bilirubin is the end product of hemoglobin breakdown. A healthy liver conjugates bilirubin with glucuronic acid via UGT1A1 enzymes and excretes it through bile. When those enzymes are saturated or blocked, bilirubin spills into blood and kidneys. Dark urine often precedes visible jaundice by a week or two, an early opportunity to intervene. Jaundice, yellow skin, and eyes. What you see: yellow tint of skin, sclera, and palms. Inside the body, accumulated bilirubin acts as a cellular toxin that disrupts mitochondria and impairs ATP production. Levels above 2 mg/dL cause visible color change. Above 20 mg/dL can lead to neurologic symptoms called hepatic encephalopathy. Biochemically, jaundice is a sign that detox phase 2 pathways, glucuronidation, sulfation, are overwhelmed. Immediate medical testing is essential. 11. Spider veins, telangiectasia from estrogen excess. What you see? Red or blue web-like vessels on chest, face, arms, and shoulders. Inside the body, the liver metabolizes estrogen via cytochrome P450 enzymes, CYP1A2 and CYP3A4. When these enzymes are downregulated by fat accumulation or toxin exposure, estrogen rises and dilates capillaries. In men, this can also reduce testosterone and cause breast tenderness. Improving detox enzyme activity with cruciferous vegetables and indole 3-carbinol helps rebalance hormones. 12. Itchy skin, pruritus from bile acid buildup. What you feel: persistent itch without visible rash, often worse at night. Inside the body, bile acids such as chenodeoxycholic acid accumulate in dermal tissues and activate histamine receptors. They also stimulate opioid receptors that amplify itch signals to the brain. Laboratory markers include elevated serum bile acids and alkaline phosphatase. This symptom often improves when bile flow is restored through diet and hydration. Advanced science. Stages of liver damage. 1. Steatosis. Fat droplets collect inside hepatocytes. Reversible with diet and exercise. 2. Steatohepatitis. Oxidative stress causes inflammation and ballooning cells. 3. Fibrosis. Collagen bands form around portal areas. Blood flow slows. 4. Cirrhosis. Irreversible scarring and nodular regeneration. Intervening between stages 2 and 3 restores full function, in most cases within 12 months of lifestyle change. Healing protocol. Step 1. Morning liver reset. Drink organic coffee with 1 to 2 teaspoons turmeric. Polyphenols activate AMPK enzymes, reducing fat accumulation, while curcumin upregulates NRF2 for antioxidant gene expression. Hydrate with 1.5 liters of water before noon to maintain bile viscosity. Step 2. Eliminate inflammatory seed oils. Industrial oils high in linoleic acid generate oxidized lipids, 4-HNE, that damage hepatocyte membranes. Switch to saturated and monounsaturated sources: ghee, tallow, avocado oil, extra virgin olive oil. Within 8 weeks, liver enzyme ALT typically drops by 20% in clinical trials. Step 3. Load sulfur and glutathione precursors. Garlic, broccoli sprouts, and onions supply sulfur for glutathione, GSH synthesis. GSH is the primary phase desutter detox molecule neutralizing peroxides and metals. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, can boost GSH levels by 30% in as little as 2 weeks. Step 4. Cut sugars and refined carbs. Fructose metabolism bypasses insulin control and turns into fat via de novo lipogenesis. Reducing added sugars to 25 grams per day halts this process and lowers intrahepatic fat by 30% over 6 months. Journal of Hepatology 2022. Step 5. Use purified bile and digestive enzymes. If you have fat malabsorption or post-gallbladder surgery symptoms, ox bile supplements assist in emulsifying fats. This enhances vitamin A, D, E, K absorption and prevents cholesterol sludge in ducts. Take on an empty stomach with physician approval. Step 6. Intermittent fasting and circadian timing. Fasting activates sirtuin-1 and PGC-1A pathways that improve mitochondrial function. Aim for a 16.8 window and avoid late-night meals. Clinical trials show liver fat reduces by 36% after 12 weeks of time-restricted feeding. Step 7. Micronutrients for repair choline. From eggs, beef liver. Exports fat as VLDL. Zinc, 10 to 20 mg per day. Supports alcohol dehydrogenase and immune balance. Vitamin E, 200 IU day. Reduces oxidative damage to cell membranes. Selenium, 100 UG day. Cofactor for glutathione peroxidase. Step 8. Exercise and muscle maintenance. Muscle is a glucose sink. More muscle means less fat deposited in the liver. Combine resistance training 3x per week with daily walking to boost hepatic blood flow and lower ALT-AST ratios. Step 9. Regular monitoring. Request these labs every 6 months. ALT, AST, GGT, ALCA-FOS, albumin, bilirubin, and ultrasound. Improvement in the AST-ALT ratio, less than 1, indicates reversal of fatty liver progression. Every symptom we've covered is your body communicating. Ignoring them lets a reversible condition become permanent scarring. Respond early and your liver can regrow millions of new cells within months. Energy returns, digestion stabilizes, skin brightens. All because you listened. If this episode helped you recognize a sign you might have ignored, share it with someone you love. Subscribe to Dr. Lab and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into real medical science made simple. I'm Dr. John Barrasso, and this is Dr. Lab, where science meets self-care. Protect your liver, it's the lab inside you that never clocks out. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.